My first step is to drill a hole in the center of the plug. Don't drill fast, drill slow so you don't damage the screw underneath. If it's brass, it will be damaged by the bit. So just take it easy and you'll feel when you hit the metal. This one unfortunately popped out real easy, so it's going to make this video simpler than I wanted it to be. Most of them don't pop out this easily. Now just put the edge of the chisel right at the circumference of the plug so that you don't damage the wood, but yet it splinters the plug. And then you're usually left with a layer of varnish underneath. Never pry on the edge of the hole because you'll round it off. So you pry against the screw by walking the chisel. Next, you take an awl and reach in there and break the debris right from the edge of the screw, because you don't want the screw lifting up on it because it will splinter the whole opening of the wood. So you go around with an awl, very sharp awl, and pop out all the little pieces of varnish debris and also the screw slot. Notice I'm not prying against the edge of the hole, I'm prying against my hand to avoid damaging the top edge of the hole. Once you think you have it clean, you go ahead and put in your screwdriver and turn it a half a turn real slow, and you can see if the screw starts coming up. If it doesn't start coming up, that means it's trying to lift the board, and it's going to splinter the board. I'm not comfortable with the fact that the screw is not coming up very fast, therefore I'm going to put the screw back down in the wood and clean the edge better, because I do not want to splinter the top of the hole. As you see, the process is really quite simple. A very sharp awl, no pressure against the wood that you're working on, just pressure against the screw. Pop on all the dead varnish. Now some of these that I've done, the varnish was soft and it took a lot of prying to get it out. It wouldn't let go. This varnish here, the sun baked it more and it's harder, it's more brittle. Sometimes you gotta, it's like molasses, you just have to keep prying until eventually a whole wad of it will pop out. Once you're certain that the hole is clear completely to the edge of the screw, then go ahead and back the screw out, paying attention the board isn't lifting. And if the screw's coming up, then you're in Fat City. Usually the screw will chew out any remaining varnish if it's just a thin layer, and it won't do any damage to the wood. I'm confident now that it's going to come out without splintering the wood. And that's it. That's how I get the teak plug removed and the screw out from under it. And now we have the example of removing another plug. Unfortunately, both of these plugs came out fairly easy. Some of them are very difficult to get out. And when it happens, you take chisel and you make like a 6-pointed star with it, putting the edge against the circumference like I'm doing, and a sharp quick blow with a light hammer works best, because you don't want to be going down into the screw and dulling your chisel and messing up the screw head. So just quick light blows, and if necessary, a 6-point star type cutting pattern will break up the plug enough that you can pry it out, just like these are being pried out. That's about it. Good luck with your plug removal.